How is it possible that CRO Coin is falling lower still? Well, Bitcoin isn't going up. Total market cap isn't going up. But when is our floor for CRO Coin going to be? I want to talk to you guys strictly about price action for the CRO token in this video. And I know that there's a lot of people that are watching this video right now thinking, man, we've been talking about CRO for 3-4 years and it's done nothing. Well, I want to remind you guys of a couple things in this video and talk about the truth behind CRO. The truth is at one point, CRO went up almost 5x. The question I pose is, for those of you guys that are holding CRO, did you take any profit on the way up? There is a slogan in crypto that everybody says, but I think that even though people say it, a lot of people tend to get greedy. And I think a lot of retail has a hard time doing it, taking profits. You buy low, you sell high. That's the saying. Buy low, sell high. So we have been talking about CRO since back here all the way through all of this. But we were screaming that CRO was insane accumulation opportunities over here. Now, even if you bought CRO back at the highest point in March of 2023, you are almost, even if not, you were down slightly on the CRO investment. Now, unfortunately, if you are somebody that is new to crypto and you came in and you learned about crypto.com, you learned about CRO, but you weren't buying until these points over here, you're hurting today. And you might even be annoyed with this take, but it's the truth, and we need to discuss factual, truthful things on this channel because you need to be aware of exactly how this game of crypto works. You need to buy low and you need to sell high. Now, you might go, Crypto Kip, but you've been saying that CRO is going to go a lot higher. Well, I believe that CRO still could go above $1 in this bull market, and I still believe that you could see CRO achieve $2 in this bull market. Admittedly, as the time and this clock is running down, I feel less confident about the $4 to $5 range. Is it possible? It could be, but that's not my focus right now. My focus right now is, how are altcoins performing overall versus Bitcoin? How is the total cryptocurrency market performing overall right now? And the answer is pretty tough. For Bitcoin, I'm not too worried about it. Bitcoin might even be getting a recovery. It's broken down below the bull market support band, but on the daily time frame, I believe that it actually still held above this bull market support band, which is very good. The bull market support band being around just below like 82K, somewhere around there. It is holding strong. And if we can get these daily candle closes here, this could be the moment for a massive long on Bitcoin. I'm looking for long opportunities on Bitcoin. If you want to trade, by the way, you could sign up for Blowfin. You could trade Bitcoin, CRO Coin, all your favorite coins. But focusing on CRO, you got to look at Bitcoin and you got to look at the total market cap, which right now looks also like it's finding a floor here. But there is a little bit more downside. So here's the reality of the situation, guys. CRO could come back down to possibly even the 5-cent range. It hurts to say that. It hurts to see that. It hurts to believe that. It hurts to witness it. But it is realistic to see that happen because we have had two very significant bottoms for CRO at this 5-cent level, okay? We've even come down to this 4-cent range. I'd be surprised if we came down there. I wouldn't be surprised if we came down to 5 cents. Because I'm looking at this total market cap weekly candle in the next 1 or 2 days. We might see it slip down there, form a bottom, our total market cap form a bottom, and get a recovery for crypto. I don't think it's going to be a massive explosion to the upside, but I do think that cryptocurrency could recover. As long as Bitcoin holds above this $80-something thousand line, I do not think that CRO needs to come lower than 5 cents. Now, if Bitcoin breaks below this $82,000, $81,000 price level and starts heading into the 70s for an extended period of time, that's really tough. Then we might see CRO come back down to its all-time lows. And that's just the reality of the, well, not all-time lows, but to these lows here that you can kind of see on this, back in February of 2023, back in end of 2023, beginning of 2024. That's a harsh reality, guys. That's a harsh reality. Now, if you're holding CRO, what would be the move to do right now? Well, if you were buying up here, would the idea be to panic sell down here? No, I don't think so. If you believe in CRO, and if you still believe in CRO, like I do, then what you do is you would look at these as accumulation zones. If we do come back down to these regions, you would be scooping up these dips. These are buying opportunities right now. You would be buying up these dips, and you would be accumulating if you believe that CRO can still go back to $1 to $2 at some point. Because what's really neat about all this, guys, is if you take a peek at the price being at 7 cents and you believe that it's going to, let's say it was at 5 cents. If it goes to $1, that's a 20x on your money. That's an incredible gain on a cryptocurrency, guys. That's an incredible gain on anything. That could happen. I think that $1 is very achievable in this bull market. Why would you still possibly believe that, Crypto Kip? You might be also wondering, guys, because I do not believe, I refuse to believe that as we are seeing cryptocurrency go more mainstream ever, and we have ETFs coming into power, into fruition here, I refuse to believe that the total market cap topped out here. I think that the total market cap could go to possibly $10 trillion at some point in this cycle, which would mean that altcoins have a massive explosion ahead. It's an explosion that I think a lot of people are giving up on right now. And as people are giving up, this provides you with the best buying opportunities historically. The same was true when it was the most difficult time, when you were so angry about cryptocurrency, or when you wanted to give up on cryptocurrency, or perhaps when you completely gave up on cryptocurrency. It was down here in the bear market. And if you bought here today, you're feeling pretty fine and you're feeling pretty happy, especially if you were buying Bitcoin, but even if you were buying CRO token. And what I want to say to you guys is, if you were a person that gave up here, but then you bought back in up here, and now you are in the red down here, do not make the same mistake that you made here, right here. If you had been buying here, you would be in the profit here. But instead, what a lot of people do with CRO and other altcoins, I just know this is the case, is they don't buy down here. They instead buy up here, and they give up down here instead of accumulating down here and then selling up here. It's simple. These are circles that I can draw on a chart. It's a really simple thing. The question is, do you believe in the future of cryptocurrency? If yes, well, then you're bullish on Bitcoin. Then the question becomes, are you bullish on the exchange crypto.com? Do you have confidence in that exchange? And if the answer is yes, then you could say, well, do you believe that the CR token is going to be valuable? Now that is an answer that you have to decide for yourself. Do you think that the Cronos chain has a future? Do you think that crypto.com is giving people enough incentive to utilize the CRO token? Or if you want to throw that out the window and say, well, it's a major cryptocurrency, the Cronos ETF is going to come out at some point in 2025 according to the crypto.com roadmap. The speculation around the Cronos ETF coming out is going to be a factor for you that's going to drive it up to your price levels. There's a variety of different ways that you can either believe in CRO, and if these things are not making you believe in CRO, then I would be asking the question, well, why would you be holding it in the first place? I hold it because I believe in the future of crypto.com, and I believe that CRO is an easy token to get some gains on in 2025 in the big portion of this bull market, that big move to the upside, which frankly, guys, we just haven't seen yet, unfortunately. Why do I say that? Because if you look at the total market cap, we have broken above our previous highs. Yes, but we have not had our big explosion above the previous highs. And Bitcoin has been leading this charge. No doubt, Bitcoin's been a lot more powerful, which is why you see Bitcoin dominance has been shooting up, and altcoins have not really been doing the thing that we've all been waiting on them to do. Will it happen? I believe that it will. I genuinely want to know in the comments down below, in your opinion, do you believe that altcoin season is still imminent? Do you think that CRO still has a bright future? What do you think that the impact of the Cronos ETF is going to be for the CRO token down the road? One thing's for sure, guys, I love these as accumulation opportunities. 7 cents, 5 cents CRO. These are incredible buying opportunities, especially if you, like me, believe that we're going to go to $1 and higher at some point when this bull market really kicks off and when the Fed starts gutting discounting rates. We get risk on assets rallying again, and altcoins starting to surge. Do you believe that Cronos still has a bullish future, guys? I want to know in the comments down below. That's all I have in this one. If you want to do some trading again, you could sign up for Blowfin, up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you sign up. You could trade CRO there. You could trade your favorite altcoins there. You could trade Bitcoin if you want to check it out. There's a $5.6 million prize pool right now. You have a chance of making some money if you're a successful trader. So check that out. That's all I have today. Have a great weekend, everybody. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DC8. Hold on, I'll see you in the next one. 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.